Here with me, I have the ZitCare Salicylic Acid Gel 1%. It's a lower concentration of salicylic acid, so it has shown to improve the whiteheads and blackheads forming on your nose. It's an Indian pharmacy product, and I paid 230 Indian rupees to purchase this product, and I love how the packaging is. It is in the tube like a container, and it has a small beak which removes a little bit of product. So I use this product on my T-zone area. Apparently I don't sweat on my forehead, but I do sweat on my nose area and also on my chin area. But I like to apply it usually on my nose area because I see that I have a lot of blackheads there and also whiteheads. So it efficiently removes it and hence improves my overall complexion on the face. As it's a gel-based consistency, a lot of skin type can use it, and the concentration of the salicylic acid is 1%. 1% is like the lowest concentration. Usually salicylic acid is used in the range of 0.5 to 2%, and 1% is somewhere ranging in between, so vast range of skin type can use it and get benefit out of it. If you have even dry skin type and you see that there is a dead skin layer on your face, then salicylic acid can loosen up those dead skin layer and improve in removing it as an exfoliator. In acne treatment, salicylic acid has shown to cleanse the pores, which has excess formation of sebum, bacteria, and also dirt that accumulate and form into acne. It also improves the inflammatory condition by reducing the redness. It can also be used as oral treatment. There are different tablets that can be taken for salicylic acid, but also there are topical creams. In my opinion, I think that the topical creams are like the direct application than the oral administration of salicylic acid, as when you take it orally, it takes time to come onto your skin and improve it and to get that healthy skin barrier faster, as compared to the topical cream where it is directly applied on the place where it is needed to be applied, and then it does the job instantly. You cannot expect results like overnight. It does take time, at least a month, to see the improvement, and if you apply it every day, morning and evening, then you can see that your skin complexion or the glow has improved on the face. So if you are someone who is suffering from clogged pores and you constantly have breakout, you can go for this gel based product and you can use it all over your face, or else the places that you see that you always have acne breakout, this cream will improve that area and it will efficiently remove or cleanse that clogged pore, and it can help you to get that clear skin. Salicylic acid is also known to improve the psoriasis condition, also corns or as rots. So this whole cream is quite versatile. It can be used for numerous applications because it removes, or else that it loosens up that thick skin layer, and it helps the penetration of other ingredient as well. So it's a very good ingredient, and I love the concentration that it is only 1%, which is the right concentration to work for the vast range of skin type. Even if you fall into a sensitive skin type category and you have dry skin, you can even use it on your face as well as to the areas that you want to target, and you can see that it will loosen up the dead skin layer, and then after that you can see that it has improved the overall glow in that certain area. The caution that you have to take is that pregnant women are usually not recommended with salicylic acid, or else the lactating woman, as it removes the dead skin. It can even lead to a little bit dryness. So it's better that the pregnant woman as well as the woman who is lactating should not use this. There were some animal studies done on monkeys, and it was seen that the pregnant monkeys were having some sort of birth defects, but it's not done, the study is not done on the humans, so it's better not to use it, as it's not recommended for the pregnant woman or lactating woman. If you have hyperpigmentation and you want to also incorporate salicylic acid into your skincare routine, it can also be a good idea, because it has seen in studies that when you apply salicylic acid for longer duration of time, let's say for 1 year, it has gradually faded the pigmentation mark, and hence also improves the melanin production to a certain extent that it doesn't lead to a hyperpigmentation. So Salicylic acid is something that you can opt for if you want to also reduce the pigmentation mark and you don't want to go for vitamin A or else some sort of high exfoliants like lactic acid, glycolic acid, and you want to be gentle, then you can use salicylic acid, that is the beta hydroxy acid. It is also doing the same job as the exfoliants, but it's much more gentler, and you can even achieve a clear skin because it can also improve the enlarged pores and shrink it. So it's kind of, all-rounder ingredient in my opinion. And when it is in 1%, it's a lower concentration. It can do much better job and be gentle towards the wide range of skin type when compared to the harsh alpha hydroxy acids like lactic acid, mandelic acid, glycolic acid. But beta hydroxy acid is taking the crown here because of its gentleness and also giving a promising result at the same time. How to use this product to get the best benefit? First thing you have to do is cleanse your face with a mild cleanser, and after that you can take this gel based formulation and apply it on your nose area and your chin area, wherever you see that you break out a lot. And if you're someone who is suffering from acne, you can apply it all over your face. You can also use it as a spot treatment, but remember that where you apply this product, it's gonna only target that area. It's not gonna target all the other area. So if you want to improve the overall face complexion, you can also go for this cream and apply it all over your face, and then just top it up with a proper moisturizer. You can see that after 1 month of consistent using this cream, it can remove the dead skin cell layer and then hence improve the complexion on the face. As I mentioned, it's a gel based formula. The oily skin type, dry skin type, very dry skin type, sensitive skin type can use it because its concentration is 1%, and it's like the best find. I love the formulation. It doesn't have any sort of fragrance, so it takes the crown for me. And it's also budget friendly, which is like a plus because it's 230 rupees and it's doing much better job than most of the expensive formulation out there. I also like the ordinary salicylic acid, that's anhydrous solution. But I think this takes still the crown for me because it's affordable as compared to the ordinary salicylic acid, and it's doing much better job at cleansing the skin, and it's formulated for wide range of skin type. It's affordable. It's Indian pharmacy product, easy to get it in any Indian pharmacy. You will just go and ask for ZitCare S and they will give you this product formulation and they will be like, try it out. It will not cause any sort of redness, but there is always a patch test needs to be done before even applying this cream directly onto your face. Just take a little bit of product and use it here and see how it is reacting to your region. Is it going red? Is it causing any sort of irritation? If it is causing any sort of irritation, please discontinue using this product. Although they say that it is to be prescribed by a doctor, I think that you can try this product out easily. You don't need any prescription for this. So please try it out and let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this formulation. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below. So if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram account. This is my Instagram account. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. Thank you very much for watching, you guys. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.